Hello, kittens. Hello, Nala. Come on out, girl. You talking to me? You talking to me? Oh, I did forget something. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'm not restarting. I'm just stepping out for a moment. Don't move the kittens. Let's see. 78 in the room, which is what I had the AC set to. Not too cool, not too warm. Sorry, I gotta pull my pants leg up a little bit. It's okay if you're watching. Not intentional. We're gonna do the weights. To do that, I need three things: a scale, a bowl, and kittens. Oops, somebody has. Which one are you? Hi, Echo. Echo has one eye that's open. Hi, Echo. I have a spot for Nala on the weight chart, but I need to bring in the scale so I can use it to weigh her. So you want to be first, Echo? Okay, yesterday Echo weighed 6.5 ounces or 184 grams. See the little peeper? Echo, stay, Echo. Okay, Echo is 6.5, so get on that nipple there. So no gain for Echo. Now, if anybody has 2 days in a row of 0 or less gains, I give them supplemental formula. Okay, who's next? I see Fives is awake. $6.7. So that is a gain of 0.2 ounces. Went from 184 grams to 190. I forgot to mention that I added a link to the weight chart on the Kitten Cam fact and guide post, which should be just below the video if you pulled up the page anytime in the last 6 hours. If it's not, you'll have to scroll down a little bit longer or refresh a little more often. So Echo has one eye open. Hi Echo. Hi little lady. Okay, looks like Maze is awake. Yesterday, Maze weighed 7.9 ounces, 224 grams. Oh, and Mama just flattened Maze. Maze's eyes are closed right now. I think they're halfway peepers. $8.4. So now we know where all the milk went. So that is a half-ounce gain. Now weighs 238 grams. Looks like Cody's now waking up. Come here, Cody. Cody has one eye open now. His other eye tends to get milk gummed. Both his eyes are open. Yesterday, Cody weighed 8.5 ounces, 241 grams, 9.2. So those were the rest of the milk went. He had a 0.7 ounce gain. Now weighs 261 grams. Big boy. Okay, Rex, let's do you. What? Echo, you are aptly named. Okay, I can see Keeli, so we'll do Keeli next. Keeli has the black collar. She weighed 7.3 ounces yesterday, 207 grams. Wake up, Keeli. I think I see an open eye. I see 2 open eyes. Say hi to the world, Keeli. This gal has a really short timer for shutting down. $7.4. So 0.1 ounce gain. Went from 207 grams to 210. Okay, yesterday Rex weighed 7.9 ounces, 224 grams. Is that you, Rex? Nope, that's Echo. Here's Rex. How are your eyes doing, Commander? He's got a half open peeper. 8.2. So Rex gained 0.3 ounces. Now weighs 232 grams. On the weight chart, if you look, or the weight graph, if you look at the bottom, you see a tab for the weight chart. It will have everybody listed along with their cutoff point that they have to make to get their snip weight. There's a line at 32 ounces. I will probably change that color because it's the same color as Rex's. Let's see, advanced edit. I'll make snip weight magenta. There we go. The kittens are currently 12 days old. They were born June 21st. Hey Nala, what are you doing? You exploring? Want some lovins? I can give you lovins. The kittens have a bit of a sniffles right now, but it seems to be a really light case. Hi there, Echo. Are you looking at me? It's nothing to be concerned about right now, but they're kind of too young to get meds, so we're just observing. There's no discharge. Like a little Stevie Wonder kitty. The ears can wiggle. Looks like their ears are starting to be able to hear. Oh no! Echo fell over. Did you fall over? Go boom! Yes. Okay, I'm watching chat. Does anybody have any questions? Echo will answer them for you. Lulu asked, will I kiss a kitten? Yes. Ghosty asks, what does Mama weigh? I do not know yet. I have not weighed her. Jersey Cat asked if Chris and I are spraying food coloring all over my food. No, but that's a really good idea. I just might do that. Lori asks, John, is it true kittens are cute? No, they're ugly little things. Joanne asks, how old is Mama? She is 1 to 2 years old. The name screwed off, but was asked if this was a prank from my kitten dealer to me. And possibly, okay, let me see, I missed a question. Jersey asked, what any predictions on what markings these guys might develop? I think they'll look pretty close to Mom, in that at least that they'll have dark legs and feet, or dark feet, dark ears and tail, and dark snout. Yes, Echo? What do you have to tell the world? What do you want to tell the world? This is your soapbox. Stage fright? We don't. Okay, let's see. Linda asked, "How do you know this is not her first litter?" She seems to be pretty experienced, and it looks like she's had infections in her teats from previous litters. But I'm gonna switch over to the live stream chat. I can't scroll the chat on this properly. Or the live chat, the live stream app. Lulu asked, "Do you think the kittens recognize me yet?" They're getting less hissy. I wouldn't say recognize. They might become more familiar with my scent. Trisha asked, "How is Cougar doing?" He's doing better. He's still not even eating kibble, but he eats the wet food, but only one type of wet food. Very picky, it seems. But he's looking better. No, sorry. I don't have any winning the lotto numbers. I'll have to get back to you. Jersey Cat asked, "What did you do to make Echo so angry at me?" I stiffed him on his pay. On her pay, I mean. She hasn't been paid yet. Trisha asks, "Is it true that all Siamese cats are big talkers?" They seem to have a predisposition to being chatters, but there's always exceptions to the rule. Where you going, Cody? You want to check out chicken fish? Mom 24 asked, "How is Trillian?" She's melted on the carpet floor right now. Hey, Keely. Keely is napping on top of Rex. Fizzgig asked, "Have I ever read the Cat Who So and So Mysteries?" She just started one and they have measers. Nope, I have not. Hey, Echo, did you roll off? Oh, okay. Here you go, Mom. Here, have a scritch. Leela's doing the Eileen thing. One thing about the kitten weights is that you can probably expect that they'll have more fluctuating weights. Some days they may not gain as well as others, just simply because Mom seems to only have 3 active teats, and there's 6 of them. So they have to take turns nursing. Some may not get as much milk on a given day as others. Jersey Cat asked if I use my fireplace in the winter and do the cats like it. I did not use it this past winter, but they seem to be pretty oblivious about it. Siberia asks, only 6 kittens? Don't mama cats usually have 8, or does it vary? It varies. They The number of times they mate while in heat is the number of kittens they'll have. So if they mate 5 times, they will have 5 kittens. Little Miss Nala here mated 7 times. She gave birth to 7 kittens, but one was stillborn. If mom conceives a kitten long after the first kitten was conceived, that kitten will still be born at the same time as the others, and it may not have enough time in the oven. Joanne asked, "Will you supplement Mama's milk, or will they be okay with less?" If I am prepared to supplement with milk if I think it is necessary. Like for example, Biggins here, she could probably go several days without good gains because she is huge. While Fives over there, he's a lot smaller. So if he were to go for like 2 days without a decent gain, I would be more inclined to supplement him. Mama heard my son exit his room. Siberia asked, "Does the number of teats a mother cat has vary from cat to cat?" Nope, they all have the same number. But Nella only has 6 that are producing milk. I mean, she only has 3 that are producing milk, and she has 6 kittens. So they have to take turns. Oh, Echo, you fell over again. That's why she's so chatty. She's using echolocation. Mega Peppos asks, will my cats be scared the 4th of July? I do not think so. The Fosters sometimes are. I have an AC unit in the room. I plan on leaving it on tomorrow evening until around 2 a.m. It'll be set to 78 degrees, so even if it's not cooling, the fan will be on, and the loud noise will drown out the shock of the booms. Yes, Echo? Where you going, Echo? Trisha asked, so are the Clone Warriors the good or the bad ones? The answer to that question is really both. You see, the clone troopers were originally working with and under the Jedi. They were allied with the Jedi, and quite a few of the clones were close personal friends of the Jedi. But every single clone had a biochip embedded in their brain that forced them to turn on the Jedi when Order 66 was given. The Jedi, especially Commander Rex and Cody, the characters were extremely loyal to the Jedi. But when the chip was activated, it overrode that loyalty and pretty much turned them into robots. That's when they became the bad clones. You can look up information on the different orders. I think there was like 128 of them in all. That if they were given, it would supersede any other training and instructions. And Order 66 was specifically snuck in to destroy the Jedi. Mamas are out there exploring. In the TV series, the character Fives almost discovered that plot to overthrow the Jedi, but unfortunately he wasn't able to act on it in time. So you could say Fives was a hero. Yes, Thank you, Aaron, for CCing. You're keeping up with me quite well. I am impressed. Yes, our CCers play a very important role for people who cannot listen, such as Lori, who is deaf, and those who cannot use sound because they're at work or someplace noisy. Nala C is the name of the character that took care of the clones. All pretty much all of the clones. Well, this particular lot anyway. In our case, this particular lot, they're all piled up. I see your peepers. And they closed. Come on in, Mom. Yeah. Who's a pretty mama? Huh? Okay, I'm going to close chat because I'm going to do something that will probably make everybody extremely jealous. Yes, I'm coming in with the kittens. I have to be careful because this kennel cage is kind of old. And I came in here one time and I heard something pop. Oops, sorry guys. Hello there. Go back to sleep. Tiny hisses. Hey Cody. I know my torso probably smells different from my hands. What are you doing, Nala? Hey Nala. Hey Keeli. See, interacting with them like this when they also have a familiar scent of mom or each other helps them get used to my scent. I become familiar. Hey Echo. Ding ding. Service please.
She like looks at me like, what? Looks like the blue food coloring is almost faded from their tails. Where's the yellow at? Yeah, the food. I marked two of them with pet safe nail polish. One on the ear, one on the tail. And the nail polish that was on the ear is pretty much faded and gone. So I'm just going to stick with the colors. There's something about kitten fur that repels pretty much everything. I see your peeper, Echo.
Hey, Nala. There is a shelf right above the kittens. That's what Mama uses to jump up and down in the pet house. A lot of times when you don't see her in here, she's laying on the shelf. You're about to flatten the kittens. There you go. Now, don't be concerned if she does flatten them because they're more than strong enough to climb out from underneath.
Echo's belly. Oh, she just grabbed her eyes. And now she's sucking on her thumb. And I don't see any sign of the nail polish that I put on the tip of one of the kitten's tails. Cody is getting a bath. Oh, here's a tail I missed. No sign there either. Okay, Mama's doing Mama duty, so I'm going to step out now.
Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day. Up here. You're bathing. Okay.